What did you want to be as a kid, and what are you studying now?
I wanted to be an astronaut when I was a kid. Right now I'm studying a degree in animation so I can draw things in space. So it feels like I'm an astronaut.
Kid, I really wanted to be a marine biologist, but I instead took a business course basically.
كان نفسي اطلع دكتور بس للاسف بقى طلعت ايه مهندس كمبيوتر.
I wanted to be a stewardess. Now I'm studying digital enterprise management.
Pilot, and right now I'm studying computer science.
صراحة كان نفسي اطلع رابر بس بعدين لما كبرت لقيت الحياة مش مناسباني وكده سفر حول العالم فقلت لهم لا يعني فخلاص بقى اتجهت للحياة الأكاديمية. دلوقتي بدرس كمبيوتر ساينس بتخصص في داتا ساينس.
I wanted to be a teacher, but now I completely changed from that and I'm studying computer science now.
نفسي ادخل في الجيش يعني بس الان غير الوضع. انا ادخل المجال cyber security.
When I was a kid, I wanted to be like a pilot, but right now I kind of shifted it to be like a software engineer.